I'm home. It's the Christmas season, and I wish you guys a season greetings to my friends and families first and foremost. And yeah, my daughter Ariana, big up.
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, but girl, get in position.
Yeah, guys, so you know Hubby is always cooking some fancy food for me and stuff, right? So tonight I decided I am gonna try and cook something fancy for him. Nobody don't come and judge me, please. I am not a big chef. I'm just trying something. I don't want him to hear me talking. So this is salmon. It's seasoned already. Yeah. And I have some potatoes as well with it, just for the side, as a little side, something at the side. And then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I prepare couscous, because we'll be having it with couscous. So I'll come back and show you when I get that far. And I'm back. So now I will be making couscous. So for you guys to see, it's just, you know, when you go into the supermarket, they have the vegetables that are all chopped up and everything. You have carrots, celeries, it's all in one bag, chopped up nicely. So that's what I use. If you don't have that, you can just use onion and garlic and scallion, and you season the pot the season that you want. So I'm gonna leave this to boil. Once it starts boiling, then we're gonna add the couscous. So this is couscous. I don't know if you guys know it, but for me, this is what I replace rice with. I used to eat rice and I was like, I'm tired of eating rice. And I came across this couscous. Hubby introduced me to it. I've had it in London before, yeah, but I found it here, and it's really good, guys. It's really, really good, and it's easy to cook. It doesn't make you feel heavy or anything. You feel full but light, and that's what I like. So I replaced my rice with couscous. The only real way I will use rice is if I'm cooking like rice and peas, or if I want to make jollof rice, or if I just feel like eating rice, then I'll eat rice. But other from that, this is my everyday go-to that I eat instead of rice. So now that the stock and everything has come to a boil, I'm gonna turn the fire off. So you turn the fire off, yeah, because we are not gonna cook the couscous while it's on the fire. So bear with me, guys, because I'm cooking and I'm filming at the same time. So it depends on the amount of couscous you're going to make, the amount of water you're going to use. As you can see, I don't have a lot of water because when I'm not making a lot of couscous. So just pour it in. And if you feel like it has too much water, you can just go in with a spoon or something and remove some of the water from it, which is what I will be doing now, because I don't have a lot. I didn't need a lot because I already had the potatoes, so I just need a little bit. So I'm just gonna go in, remove some of the water, and then I'll come back. So yeah, guys, I've removed some of the water because I didn't want to have it. And this is the amount of water I removed from it. You can see it. It's not a lot, just a little bit. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna cover it. No fire, just cover it and let it steam by itself with the heat. if you guys have another way of cooking couscous, you can let me know as well in the comment section below. You know, this is how Hubby showed me how to cook it, so I do it this way. But if you have another way of doing it, you can also share it with me. I would love to see it, guys. So yes, down here you can see, yes, it's baking. I'm doing the salmon and the potatoes. Yes, guys, salmon and potatoes. Ooh. So I diced up some onions and garlic in butter with a little bit of seasoning, and I smeared that over the potatoes. You know, the lime, I left it because I want the lime juice to really get down into the salmon. You know, it's just my little way of doing it. I'll show you guys the end result. Now you guys can see the couscous has no fire. It just stays there and it absorbs all the water, and this is how it's looking, ready to eat. As easy as this, guys. You can replace rice for couscous. You can cook it however you want it. I choose to use the vegetables and stuff, and you can cook it plain without that, just the onion and the garlic and your seasoning, and that's it, just to give it a little flavor. But this is the couscous. I haven't turned on the fire at all. I just covered it like I told you guys, and just left it there and come back and check it. It's been like 3 minutes since I've checked, and it's already absorbed all of the water. So that's couscous, guys. My couscous. Yeah, guys, this is my final product. This is my salmon. And my couscous. I hope you guys like it. So, Hubby doesn't know what I've done in the kitchen. So only you guys know right now, right? So I am going to take his dinner to him, and hopefully I can get him to try it on camera for you guys, so you guys can get this reaction. Wish me luck, guys.
Check for survivors.
Yes, so say hi to the people. Say hi to my family. Say hi.
Oh man, I don't remember how to say it. Oh, you say hello.
Oh, you mean you don't remember how to say hi? Oh my God.
Hi guys, what's up?
Yes, so
Right now?
pull that one there closer, a little bit closer, sorry.
Yeah, right now I don't even know what's gonna happen here, but however, I'm gonna try a thing. Oh, yeah. For you all out there in the world, I'm a lover of seafood. Anything that comes from the sea, that's me. Alright? So this good swim around salmon with some roasted potato and of course some couscous a little bit light on the stomach. You feel me? Right. So now the taste. That wedge potato thing, yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, so I'm gonna taste this wedge potato thing. I'm telling you. Tell you what, I love my food with its natural taste. Not too much bugger seasoning, you know. Food for season still, but I mean no bugger. You feel what I'm saying? A natural taste potato. Wow. Nice and yummy, I'm not joking. This is no joke. Guys, I'm home. It's the Christmas season, and I hope you guys, I wish you guys a season greetings to my friends and families first and foremost. And yeah, my daughter Ariana, big up. Yeah. So, you know, it's a season and you eat accordingly, you know? Wow. That salmon. I have that lemon flavor in it. Can't tell you a trick still, you know, but it's like, wow. You understand?
Yeah, but you didn't tell me any trick. I cooked it my own way. You weren't even in the kitchen when I was cooking. We finally get him out of the kitchen for once in my life, people. Oh my God.
Wow.
So,
Let's see where the couscous is. It's a couscous. It's a who don't love eat rice. Go with the couscous.
yeah, I told them already.
Look at that. Let's look at that. Let's look at that, my people. This is no joke, eh? This ain't joke.
So you say you like your salmon? Your salmon agua?
The man never get back to you with it.
You ever get back to me? So, alright then, before we tell everybody bye, how much you score my food?
Alright. I score food. I give her 1 8.
Me good people, me good.
I give her 8. She like, yeah, man. Hey, you know, like, you don't want to try it.
So yes, that was me in the kitchen. I gave him a surprise dinner. He didn't know what I was cooking, and he wanted to come in the kitchen, and I got him out for some. He didn't get in. So this was the final results. I hope you guys like it. Remember,
Share,
comment,
subscribe,
and click the notification bell so you get notified. Can't speak. I'm too happy with my 8. So you get notified when I upload new video, guys. You know, tell a friend to tell a friend. And it's your girl Lacey, and I'm out.